Have you ever seen this? Have you ever felt this? It's a feeling so unheard. When every time I hear your voice, like my feelings having no choice. And every time I hear your voice, I wish I could remember. When every time I When every time I hear your voice, like my feelings see the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
what you want and don't ever call me again.
Now and then I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's an ache I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness. So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. I'll admit that I was glad it was over. But you didn't have to cut me off, make out like you never. No, you didn't have to stoop so low. Have your friends collect your records and then change your number. I guess that I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Now and then I think of all the times you screwed me over, but had me believing it was always something that I'd done. Ooh, but I don't wanna live that way, reading into every word you say. You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know.
But you didn't have to cut me off, make out like it never happened and that we were nothing. And I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and that feels so rough. No, you didn't have to stoop so low. Have your friends collect your records and then change your number. I guess that I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday and today is the 6th of July. So right now I'm in a rush because I want to go to class. I have computer class at 2 p.m. So now the time is 12:30. I'm going early because I want to go and buy like one or two things that I will need for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sunday. Because if I said I will go to my computer class, I will late. By the time I am heading home, maybe they will already close the supermarket. So I want to go there now. I'm going to use this bag because this bag is very spacious and even my umbrella can fit in. So, and I'm also going to put my power bank and my charger. The reason why I'm using this bag is because I have to put my groceries in this bag. Like, I'm not going to buy so many things. I just want to buy shawarma wrap and maybe a chicken breast. So that is all. I don't think I'm going to use this. Let me just put it in the bag. And yeah. And I'm also using my hand sanitizer to sanitize my arms. Medicine. Guys, I don't think I'm going to wear this today because it is hard for me to detangle this. But let's see. Maybe I will try since I have more time. Normally I have somewhere to hang it, but I don't know why. I just put it inside the bag and it got tangling. Guys, this is very hard to detangle. Please don't do the same mistake that I did, okay? Voila. So guys, finally I detangled it. But it took me a while to detangle this. So let me just put it on. Yeah guys, I am done. So the funniest thing is that I have two perfumes, but I don't have the cover. My baby always plays with my perfumes covers. So whenever she saw the perfume on the table, she just took up the cap and go ahead and play with it. So yeah, these are the scents of the day. I'm using two collections, Axe and Smart. Guys, my perfumes are always have that sense of masculine, but I love it because men perfumes, they stay long. So yeah, this is my fit of the day. Just casual black, and these are my shoes or my slippers and my bag. So guys, this is me, this is my outfit, this is my look of the day. And yeah, my baby is sleeping on the bed and I am busy filming a video and disturbing her sleep, but she's going to forgive me. So guys, I want to go natural, so I decided to do twist. It has been a very long time since I twisted my hair. I will talk to you guys when I'm outside, okay?
And there's sweat on your embrace. Want everything I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are out and there's sweat on your embrace. Want everything I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Want everything I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, good evening. Yeah, I know my mirror is dirty, but I'm going to clean that tomorrow. Yeah, I know. I am back from a computer lab. So today is the first day of me attending the class. Our lecturer lectures us nicely because if we don't understand, he will come to us and explain things further. So yeah, I really appreciate that, and I learned a lot in my first day. So yeah, I decided to come and eat something. Mind you, I am having my dinner because right now it's almost 6. I don't know the correct time for now, but it's almost 6. It has passed 5 way back. So yeah, I pour myself a drink, and this is an alcohol, but I don't used to drink alcohol all the time. So I just said, let me just, because I have it in the fridge and it's just sitting down there. So I pour a little bit of alcohol and I dilute it with plenty water because I don't have juice. Yeah guys, let me show you guys what I'm going to eat. So this is my food. I'm having couscous and macaroni at the side with chicken wings. So yeah, let us have our dinner, then we call it a night. What's up guys? I was thinking to go to bed, but guess what? It's just giving us light. Do you see? We have light. In fact, the light is not even steady. The light is just shaking and bright and dull. So yeah, throughout the day there is no light. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow my phone to charge just a little bit so I can film a video. I want to clean up this night. I was thinking maybe I should leave it tomorrow, but since they give us the light, I just want to do it and forget about it, because tomorrow I want to be in church early, so I don't want to get late tomorrow. Yeah, my baby is sleeping and this is my PJ. I just put on the top and I don't wear the pants. But yeah guys, I feel like my belly is full this night. Let me see. Anyways, I will talk to you guys maybe tomorrow. Bye. I am so happy. When I see lights, I'm going to be productive. That's the fact. Anyways, bye.
The storms we chase